Hi, I'm Shruti Sharma, Advisor, Fashion and Design, SGT University. I'm elated to have children who are goal-oriented and enthusiastic. All of whom asked me one question, "Ma'am, do we have international placement in this university?" Well, good news for all of you. We had the director of MacDougall in the induction program. He visited our labs and was very impressed. A brief mention was also made on the syllabus, which had industry-ready courses. So, if you all know of this Natu Natu, the song for which India won Oscars, well, he designed the costumes. He said he would love to have children from our institute. Good news, work hard and sky's the limit.